chane is like a very famous dish for breakfast in South Asian countries like Pakistan and India. So in the chane we've got no oil so that it can be healthy. It goes with the puri, and also we've got some potato bhujia. So this also goes with the puri, but you can also eat it with chane, puri, and yeah. So now let's have a taste test and see how well we've made it. So I'm going to take a bite. Here's my plate and I'm going to try it. That is so tasty. And the puri is so soft with it, it's amazing. How the puri and the chane go very well together, and I loved it. The chane has like a very good balance of the spices, and it's like amazing with the puri. So now it's time for me to rate it. So I'm going to rate this a 10 out of 10 because it's like so amazing, especially for breakfast. So bye guys, remember to subscribe, like and share.